Hi, I'm Ann Mooney, personal chef in Orlando and Winter Park, Florida, and I'm here today on behalf of ExpertVillage, and we're doing beer can chicken. Well, the moment we've waited for is here. We're going to see if that chicken is done. Now you can see how beautiful and brown it's gotten. See that? You can tell if it's done by taking an instant read thermometer and sticking it right in here between the thigh and the breast. If that thermometer reads 165 degrees, it should be between 165 and 170 degrees. That chicken is done. Our chicken reads 171 degrees, so it's safe to take it off the fire. And very carefully, we're going to take this chicken off the fire and into the kitchen. But again, it's not stable on this beer can, so you have to be careful with it. And you can just count on getting your pot holders dirty on this dish. So here we go. We have our side dishes all ready. We'll take this thing in and get it off the beer can and have a feast.